So guys, a good news is coming for all the Elevate candidates. As you all of you know that registration survey for November cycle is opened. So guys, in this video we'll discuss few things like who should register in this survey, registration close date, registration end date, and learning close date. Also guys, those who have received only 4 rating or 5 rating A or B band, only they are eligible. Is it like that? So we'll discuss each and everything in detail. So guys, please like this video and subscribe the channel for getting more updates regarding this. So guys, as all of you know that August cycle exam is cancelled. So August cycle registration survey exam, everything is cancelled, nothing is there. So you have all those who have registered for August cycle, they have to register for this November cycle. Okay. Secondly, all the freshers who have joined recently like 2 months or 3 months back, or all the experienced people who have not given Elevate Wings 1 anytime, they should register in this exam, because if you clear this exam you will get around 7 LP. Okay, like where can you find the survey, where can you find the survey registration link? Okay, so you have to go to the Ultimatics application learning and collaborations. Inside that you can find Nomi, and inside that you have to search Elevate Wings November cycle survey, or it will come on the top if you are eligible. Okay, so if you are eligible then it will come on the top. Eligible means those who have joined TCS 3 or 4 months back, they are eligible. Okay, and also all the experienced candidate, they are also eligible. Okay, so guys, when you find this survey, then inside that survey you will find so many things. So what you have to do is you can select as many exam as you want, but like how many exam you have to clear? So you have to clear only 2 exam. Okay, one from tech and one from non-tech. So for easy purpose, what you can do, that you can choose any among these, either biz 1, biz 2, process articulation. Okay, so for these courses you have to do a course on Ultimatics, and you have to complete that course on Ultimatics before 10th of November as per the date mentioned in by TCS. Okay, I will provide you answers for these exams. Okay, if you clear the exam on Ultimatics, after that you will be eligible for final exam that is going to be held in December. Okay, so guys, if you look here, that you have completed one, either biz 2, process articulation. Okay, now after doing this, what you have to do is you have to mark one more DCA or tech track. So in DCA you have different things like DCA PLSQL, DCL Java, DCA Python, DCA ServiceNow, like that. You can select any one and you can give the exam. Okay, so guys, here one more thing is that, like let's suppose you are marking any DCA tech track. So what happen is that you are not required to do any course on Ultimatics, you have to directly give the exam. But if you are choosing any tech track inside that, so in that case you have to complete some courses on Ultimatics. Okay, so that will take time. So my suggestion is just try to finish either one of these, biz skill, biz 2, and one among DCA. So this you can complete in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, because I will provide you answer on Ultimatics, and for this you are not required to and for DCA you are not required to give any course or any exam on Ultimatics. So you have to directly give the exam. So this way it saves your time for final preparation of DCA. Okay, also guys, for preparing DCA I have given different MCQs, different exam patterns, like different previous year question. I have created DCA MCQ, DCA Java, DCA Python, DCA PLSQL, DCA biz skill, biz skill 2 playlist. So you have to go through all the playlist and try to solve each and every question, which can give you some confidence. Okay,